Are you guys struggling to decide between hair gel and hair wax? So in today's video we will compare hair gel and hair wax and breaking down all the key differences and pro and cons and which one works best for your hairstyle. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here I have taken aloe vera gel first. You can use any aloe vera gel if you like, and I have applied it to dry hair. If you want your hairstyle to stay long lasting, you should wet your hair and then you apply it. I have taken a very small amount of aloe vera gel and warmed the product slightly into my hand first. After that I applied it to top section of my hair. If I talk about the pro or the benefits of the aloe vera gel, one pro is that you can use it as a hair mask or as a part of your hairstyling routine. However, it won't give you as much as slick hairstyle as a regular product like hair wax or a hairspray. And aloe vera gel has many benefits such as various uses for the skin. If you are using any heat machine on your hair, aloe vera can be also be applied beforehand as a heat protector and it won't cause any harm to your hair. I am going to create a slick hairstyle. I used a very fine tooth comb after applying the aloe vera gel. I apply aloe vera gel to the top section of my hair. After that I took a section of hair from behind the ears and applied aloe vera gel as well. I will make a normal basic braid with that section. After making the braid, it turned out to be slick braid hair. None of my flowers are coming out. After applying aloe vera gel, all my hair has smoothly stayed in the braid. The braid is still slick, but after 2 to 3 hours, when the gel's effect starts to wear off, any extra speed ends or flyaway hairs will start to come out. If you look closely, you might see a few strands of coming out of the braid, but if you want as much as slicker hairstyle, you will need to use a hair wax or a hair gel. On one side I have applied aloe vera gel and on the other side I will apply the hair wax stick. The stick is available on Amazon or other online website. I personally don't use as many product in my hair, but this product was so trending, so I thought I had give it try and make it video about it. If we talk about the packaging is quite okay for the product and the quantity of the product is so good. This product will easily last for 2 to 3 years. The product is not too sticky, but if your boyfriend run his finger through your hair, he will feel a stickiness, so keep that in your mind. If you use aloe vera gel, washing your hair afterward is not that necessary. You can even leave your hair with aloe vera gel in it. However, if you are using hair wax, it will make your hair bit sticky. Washing your hair will be necessary. You can apply the wax stick directly if you want, or if you prefer, you can take it on a spoolie or a toothbrush and then you apply it on your hair. This way, the product will apply it more sprangly. I will follow the same process as I did on the other side. First, I have applied the product to the top section of my hair, and then I took a section behind my ear and will apply the same wax to that section as well. Although this product claimed to be natural, I don't think we should use hair wax on a regular basis. Compared to the aloe vera side, it is also slick hair side. But as the aloe vera dry, the hairstyle doesn't stay as a slick. The hair wax side is much sleeker and has more shine compared to the aloe vera side. If you want to style your hair for only 1 hour, you can use aloe vera gel. But if you need to stay 7 to 8 hours and you want a slick hairstyle, then hair wax will work better. Talking about the staying power, the aloe vera side will stay slick for about 1 hour because after that the gel start drying and will absorb into your scalp, so slick hairstyle won't last as much. On the other hand, with the hair wax side, I think slick hairstyle will stay intact for around 7 to 8 hours. If you have a split end, the hair wax will not cover them properly because the very small flyway in my hair didn't stick properly with the wax. If you don't like very sticky slick hairstyle on your face, then you should avoid this because after applying it your hair will stay extremely slick and it might not give the best look. If you want your hairstyle be both slick and little messy, you should use aloe vera gel. As you can see in the video, both sides look very even and I don't think there was much of difference between the side with hair wax and the side with the aloe vera gel. Both sides give a clean look and I personally prefer the aloe vera gel side because I don't like using hair wax that much. I think after applying the hair wax it is necessary to wash your hair afterward, and if you want to buy this, it was a good deal because you get a lot of product for the quantity. I'm not sure how it's work on curly hair, but on a straight hair it will look best. As for the stickiness, it's not too sticky but you feel like you have applied something to your hair. It might not work well on the curly hair because it's not very sticky. The top section of your hair will stay in a place, but if you want to slick look for a longer period, you will need to use a hair gel. If you are a beginner, you should definitely try this product. Other hair gels also work really well, but if you want to invest your money, I think you should invest in the hair gel because its staying power is better. I have applied aloe vera gel on the left side and used a hair wax stick on the right side. And if you don't want to invest in both, I think aloe vera gel is the best option. If you want to aloe vera gel to last a little bit longer, your hair should be wet, as the staying power of aloe vera gel will be better when applied to damp hair. Talking about touch-ups, you can easily do touch-ups with aloe vera gel on your hair. However, if you do touch-up with the hair wax, you will notice a white cast if you use it with pressure. In my preference, it's better to use hair wax before styling your hair rather than doing touch-ups later. If you like my video, please give it thumbs up and thank you for watching.